Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add logo grid like this in your WordPress blog using Divi Builder. Now here you can see I have added this using Divi pattern plugin. When you hover over up logo, it will appear like that. Now to add a similar looking logo grid, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to posts and click on add new. Add post title. I will add logo grid and then publish the post. After publishing, click on use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will select building from scratch. Now select a single row. Scroll down. Here you can see the Tark modules. These modules come with the name of Tark, comes with the plugin that we have added now, Divi Tark plugin. Here you can see Tark logo grid. Select this module. Now here you have to add logos. Click on this plus button, click on this and select a logo. Then click on this tick button. Again click on plus button and add logos. Click on this upload a plugin. Here you can see the brand name. It's the logo alternative text. You can add brand name. I will add Oakley. It's a dummy name. Click on this tick button. Again add a dummy brand name. You can add your own. You can also use a tooltip. You can add tooltip text like I will add sky fire. Now click on this tick button. Add another logo. Add alternative text, the tulip. Use tooltip. Now click on this tick button and add a final one. I'll select this logo. Add alternative text. Use tooltip. Now click on this tick button. Here you can see grid settings. Change column 4 to 3. Now you can see the logo appears much bigger. To change its size, here you can see logo size. I will add 100 pixels and it will appear like that. You can change logo hover style to zoom in, zoom out, fade out, black and white, but I will select zoom in. Now go to design. From design, you can change the sizing, spacing, border. You can add box shadow. I will add box shadow like this or this one. Yeah, it appears good. You can change shadow color. Default is perfect. You can add an animation. I will add fade in. Now click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and click on save. Now you have successfully updated your post. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have successfully added logo grid. It will appear like that. But here I have added the tooltip. When you hover over it, you can see the tooltip and the brand name appears over this image. That's how you can add logo grid in your WordPress blog using Divi Builder and Divi add-on plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.